And if you want to listen to this, you listen and...
What's the first move?
We're gonna start it.
What's the first move?
What is the first move?
Two.
First move.
This is not a drill.
What's the first move?
3.
What's the first move?
But
what's the first move?
Grab your motherfucking best friends. Grab your best friends and watch.
I'm really sorry. You can't just do that.
3, 2, 1.
If you're in love again, you can watch the official video here, and then watch my damn proposal here, bitch.
If you're in love again,
hit it.
You're all thanks for watching.
I'm using it.
Blooper reel.
She portrays herself as the fucking nice one. I want to ruin her image.
Me too.
On Spotify. Work out.
Work out.
Work out with your
As you can see it, don't say shit. I don't care. All right.
See you next time.
Your mom.
See you next time. See you next time.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Holding.
The cops are coming to get you.
They would. For some reason, I feel like I'm on the run. I don't know what from.
Do you think Gwen Stefani's song is good?
What song?
Exactly.
This is.
All right. Oh my God. Okay.
It's a mayor. Oh my God.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Good.
There's a bee.
Oh my God.
All right.
It's right there, Alex. Right now.
Haley, one step out.
No.
All right.
And 3.
There's a
No,
bee
Caleb.
for me now.
Caleb, I've got it.
All right. Here we go.
In 3.
Hold on. I'm being attacked.
In 3.
No.
It's not fair. The sun is going
In 3.
No, you are hugging the line a bit.
This is.
Allison, you can take a step out. Yeah.
I can't see.
Where I was.
Oh my God. Hit play.
She said gently. You can call on me anytime, unless you're someone from high school. Okay.
Ew.
You can call on.
I wasn't ready.
It's
4,
in your
3,
hand.
2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 4, 3, 2. You can call on me. 4, 3, 2.
You can call on me.
Looking at me.
You can call on me anytime, unless you're someone from high school. What are you talking
Walk off the ledge. Walk off the ledge.
We're gonna start this off really quick, so if you don't follow along,
You're stupid.
Hey, is it?
just tap me. This is gonna start. I think it could have been better.
I think it was fine.
I can't balance.
Well, you also weren't on beat.
I wasn't on beat. All you have to do is click the join button on our YouTube channel. Don't be shy. Buy some more. I'm like, this isn't a joke. This isn't a joke. Can you send someone to pull me up? Okay.
Okay, now tell us the secret.
He's still in love with Haley.
Is that true?
No.
Is that true? Tell me the truth. Look at me in the eye and tell me. It's okay. I don't feel the same way, but it's okay if you want to tell me. Get off your chest.
Well, now I'm not going to.
No, it's
That's
okay.
embarrassing. Yes, I love you.
You look at me in the f***ing face.
I'm just kidding. I'm
just kidding.
Does anyone want to take a picture?
Nope.
Don't give Allison an option.
I'll go first, I guess, since everyone else left the frame. Where should my next tattoo go? You move, like, I don't think, you're not taking into account the fact that you move around way more than we do. I'm not trying to get bopped today.
Let out some trauma. Let's go. I fucked up. I literally fucked up already. I'm so fucking sorry. 3,
Get that out
2,
of me.
together. Step, punch. We're gonna cry today, so I hope you're ready to let out some trauma. Blades?
No, I'm gonna literally off myself.
Caleb, it looks like you. Caleb, it looks like you.
Yeah, I told you to
On
wipe
your
it off.
No, that is no. Asking, Allison, don't do it.
Allison literally said that she was gonna suck his dick earlier.
She did. She said she'd like both of us.
What am I a part of?
It's just a warm up.
This is not a warm up.
This is a warm up.
All right. And you know what? I am a unicorn.
Time! Speed this up! Ha! Whatever. Oh. Hey, we almost got it.
I am hanging on by a thread on this one.
Got it, ain't sorry, but I
Down.
keep getting caught out of ways to say that I ain't feeling any type of way about you. Keep getting caught.
I'm going to pee.
Just like do it.
Pee on you.
I'm gonna pee on you.
You think I'm pretty? Get away! Reach! You can watch the official video right here and stream the song on our Spotify playlist, Workout by the Fitness Marshall. Flawless.
We did it 3 times.
And rock! We're just doing our feet. No arms yet. Nice face.
Thank you. Call me beautiful today twice.
You are beautiful. You're stunning, actually.
I watched your guys' video.
No way!
I love you guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye. Nice to meet you. You're gonna do exactly what Allison's doing. And make a fireball. And then you're gonna burn. I didn't realize I was starting that soon. Speed it up.
Come on. Stop.
No one was. You're not there.
Did you not get the ending pose? Before we get started with this video, if you want to listen to this song, you can check out our Spotify playlist, Workout by the Fitness Marshall. All right, here we go. The only thing hotter than this dance is you and a. You know what's hotter than hell?
I don't feel passionate about this dance.
Hey besties, we're gonna be doing this fun warm up. Right, that's dumb.
Dude, this is
Sounds
all
really-
stupid.
People everywhere. We're gonna do a little fun warm up. So I just want you to have fun, free yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, what are we doing?
What are you doing?
Well, we're just gonna bop around, I think, right?
But then what are you doing walking around forward and backwards and up and down?
Why don't we do this? Why can't
we just, like-
It's a long intro. Why don't you just be out and you can walk in after I'm done? Like,
Nothing worse than walking into frame.
You know what?
They know we're there.
then stay right here.
They know we're gonna
Then
come
stay
in.
right here.
It's
All
not
right.
a surprise.
Thanks for watching.
Is
everybody ready?
Absolutely not.
Remember, we're here inspiring people to get up and get moving.
And it's like windy, my hair's on my face, I feel like I'm gonna fall over. That's why I feel like I don't know it.
We're going.
Fitness Marshall,
Yes.
can you say hi to my boyfriend? He loves you.
Here we go. Not a dress rehearsal. Real thing. Real thing. Hey guys, we're gonna practice this first move. I fucked that up, I'm
Exactly,
sorry.
that's because you're too
Yeah, and who's
being
guy?
a show off and a class clown.
Finally released a mesh tee in white. It is out today. You can click the link below.
Not
Fucking
out
lie.
yet.
That's a
No, it's
fucking
not.
lie. God, why do I repeat myself 3 times? Check yourself.
Behind the scenes. Already, and you can click right here to do our 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week. They never expire, and it's the best way to get a Fitness Marshall workout.
Sweat sessions. Sweat sessions.
You feel that?
Nothing gives me shivers like a letter from the IRS.
Did you get one?
I always do. Nothing gives me shivers when buying the mesh tee. We don't have to fake no love for this mesh tee because we love it. For real. There's nothing fake about our love for this mesh tee.
I can't do the same word, Kayla.
There's nothing fake about our love for these mesh tees. Buy them on Etsy. Santa never pays attention to us. Santa, what's my fucking line? Santa never pays any attention. Santa never notices us. Oh, damn it! Comment below and let us know if there are any other videos you want us to remake. Comment below and let me know if you want me to f off.
Alright, what about your pitch? Good, good, good.
Let's try to harmonize.
No.
I'm looking at you, Justin Bieber. Well, that song just whoop-deed my butt.
Eyes closed. We're not center, it's bothering me. Okay.
Because it's never too cold to be on because it's never too cold to go on vacation. It smells horrible.